Nijangkar Malong DC pen Perangkia me ke phap pedopon. Thongkebra ke thom ang dang kali tang khorsing doloi terang aphan kachike mopon. Busik ni phai kresiarni Nijangkar Malong DC hinpen. Perangkia me phapon si non ke bangji busik ni phai kre hiniarni vote counting jiaphan DC pen ing samjin pen ke klem ke dam ponlong jiaphan Perangkia thengno nang pachinidun. Hamren pen Rustom inti report Malong News.
All arrangement for tomorrow's counting, which will be held from 8 a.m. Till the end of the counting. There will be 5 counting halls. In the first shift, we will be doing the counting of first 5 constituency. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. Then once it is over, the counting of these constituencies are over. Then in the second shift, we will be doing for constituencies 6, 7, 8, and 9. And for all security arrangement and everything has been done. And we have taken proper security and all arrangement has been done and all counting officials have been trained, and there will be 144 in and around this counting hall premises. And also we have banned the sale of these roadside diesels and petrols, and only in the appointed dealers only people have to buy their POL for their vehicles. And also 12th will be a dry day, and roadside consumption of any liquor will not be allowed, and there will be no mobile phones, any water bottle, bags, or any ink, or say any sharp objects or any spy cams, anything of this sort will not be allowed inside the counting premises. This will be true for both the counting agents and also for the counting officials, and we hope that we could able to conclude the counting peacefully tomorrow. Thank you.
Nijangkar Malong Khirunia long tak karli tang khorsing doloi terang aphan kachiki mopon asai kedeng pon. Kar bilame ramai Khirunia roi hin pen sila bangso ame chepahim pupon. Bangso ame along alhui sarpo aman pen Ramsing Phangcho chom e chom bang Joyram Ronghang chom e chom bang lapen veli timungpi kar bilamet ame tirpia bang phiatum citame chetong dun pen me ardi pidun rinti. Phelangpi pen beda sing teron report Malong News.
Tum kelang bom lagi Malong News 24/7 hampang aparman Abirta.